And get ready to see restrictions again statewide as officials respond to those record number of COVID-19 cases. Yesterday, Lieutenant Governor Josh Green told KHON2 that would likely mean smaller group gatherings. And joining us now to talk about what we could see this week is Lieutenant Governor Green. Good morning to you again, Lieutenant Governor. Thank you so much for joining us again.
Good morning. You guys did a great job this weekend. Thanks for alerting people.
Now, before we get to the coronavirus surge, let's talk about what happened this weekend in Douglas. I mean, we really dodged a huge bullet.
We did. The storm stayed slightly north, thank God. So we should be thankful for small blessings. You know, people have been struggling with COVID, but had we been suffering a direct hit, had we suffered a direct hit on Kauai or Oahu or any of our islands, the reconstruction would have been difficult, and obviously it'd be even more difficult to socially distance people as we recovered. So we're feeling thankful, and it's one of those things. You want to remember the small blessings when you're dealing with other crises.
And speaking of which, the coronavirus crisis, we continue to watch those numbers so closely. You had mentioned restrictions again yesterday. You talked about the likelihood of smaller group gatherings. What else would you be recommending?
Well, I would recommend a couple things. Definitely no groups greater than 10, so people, again, stay in their family bubbles or their close contact bubbles where they are comfortable, so you can't spread out of that. That's number one. Number two, masks everywhere, period, unless you're at home in that bubble. I think that's absolutely necessary. And I think we have to start thinking about pushing back the school date a little bit to make sure we're extra prepared there. Plus some of the other social gatherings that we were allowing where, I have to be honest, when you go to the beach, it looks like regular beach season. There's just so many people out. I think we're going to have to, again, stick really only to our nuclear group. Being able to be at the beaches in close proximity to others without masks is going to continue to lead to spread. So the reason for this is we had 800 cases in the first 5 months of the COVID crisis, and then we've had 800 cases in the last 30 days. So you can see how much more disease we've had lately, and that just builds and builds and builds because it's almost all close contact, local spreading. We really have to pull back a little bit. I would recommend those things and even a few others. I think probably restaurants back to takeout makes a lot of sense as well. I know it's difficult, but as we go month over month and beat this thing back, we're getting closer to the vaccination, which will protect everybody.
So you said maybe even closing down restaurants and just stopping the dine-in service. What about gyms? Gyms as well?
Well, the challenge about all of these things is that the virus is, based on research, 19 times more likely to spread in closed indoor, close quarter events. So like an exercise class in a 20 by 20 room or even a 30 by 30 room, it's 19 times more likely you're going to spread the virus in that setting rather than doing, say, yoga on the beach. So you see what I mean? When you have any setting, I'm not singling out restaurants or exercise or anything, but any event in a closed quarter room where people are breathing near one another, that's when the virus is going to spread at a much higher rate. So if you can't thin out crowds to very, very sparse gatherings, you're going to see spread. I would prefer to have 2 weeks or 4 weeks of no spread and knock this thing out rather than linger for months and months and months and eventually see fatalities.
Now we know that it's ultimately up to the governor to decide what to do and when to do that. But what can you tell residents in terms of a timeline? Should we expect some kind of announcement this week?
I would expect we would. Yeah, we have to have it this week because, you know, we had 64 cases yesterday, 73 the day before, 60 and 55. I mean, these are 4 biggest days have happened in the last 4 days. And we're probably going to see continued local spread. So this is the time that you've got to do it. It's not much longer before it's going to get beyond the capacity of the Department of Health to trace people. If you can't trace and then subsequently test people, then it's just going to go off like a nuclear bomb. So you can't afford that. It would be much better to do it now. I know that a lot of the government is closed today, but certainly the governor and I and team are all going to be at work making some of these decisions. I also know that some of the Department of Health and HIEMA leaders have approached the Gov. So it would be better to get a hold of it now. It's going to be difficult to suppress it back down to single digits, but it can be done. And we're still the envy of every other state, although that still is very little consolation to us when we're, as a state, used to low numbers.
Yeah, that's right. We all just got to do our part and also just never let our guards down. Again, Lieutenant Governor Josh Green, thank you as always for joining us and for your time this morning.
Be safe.
All right, you too. Let's go ahead and send things over to Kelly.